In this lab, you'll use stoichiometry to predict a theoretical product and then calculate the percent yield based on the actual amount of solid product formed. The first step is to find the mass of the empty test tube. Next, we'll add a few scoops of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. And then take the mass of the baking soda and test tube. Then, we'll heat the test tube for 5 minutes. Notice the tiny streaks in the powder as the gas tries to escape. You can also see the water droplets on the sides of the test tube. After letting the test tube cool, we'll take the mass of the test tube and the powder product again. This is our actual or experimental yield. Finally, we'll see what gas forms when the sodium carbonate product in the test tube reacts with hydrochloric acid. See the gas forming? Now we'll determine what type of gas it is by observing how a glowing splint acts when placed in it.